Hi guys, this is Karen and welcome to Tried and Tested. Today's video is going to be on the November Fab Bag video, but before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also activate the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that every time I post a new video, you get notified. The theme this month is the highlight, and along with the product card, I received 3 other cards. The other card that I received is the contest that Fab Bag runs every month, so the details of the contest are mentioned on the card. And lastly is a 10% coupon code in case you wish to renew your subscription. You can always use this code. So here's what the bag looks like this month. To be very honest, the quality of the bag was way below expectations. On camera the bag looks really nice, but up close if you look at it, the finishing is quite shabby. From whatever Fab bags that I've received throughout these months, this one has got to be the worst in terms of the quality. But let's find out if the contents that I got in here made up for the quality of the bag. First product in here is by this brand called Shea. It's the Shea Heart Soap, a full-size product priced at rupees 399. So I received this same soap in my May Fab bag and I've used it already, so I can talk about it. This is a rose scented soap. Before using it, I always thought that the scent was going to be mild, but it's surprisingly stronger than what I expected, which is good. Although this is 100% free from SLS and paraben, the only drawback that I found is that it's a little drying on my skin. Now the next product that I received in here is by this brand called Teen Color Life non-transfer lipstick. This is in the shade M11 Regal Red. It's once again a full-size product and it's priced at rupees 290. So this is currently the shade that I'm wearing on my lip. So one thing that I absolutely appreciate is the formula. It really glides easily on my lips and it's very soft and creamy. When it comes to the shade, I'm so used to dissing every crayon lipstick that I have received in my Fab bags, but I won't be doing it with this one. Although it's not going to be a color that I'm going to reach out for often, but still I think this is wearable and I definitely see myself wearing this in the future. Now it is a matte finish, but it does transfer a little bit. The third item in here is by the brand called Bio Blush. It's called Cup of Coffee Face Mask. Priced at rupees 185 and you get 20 grams of the product. So I did use this product on my face before filming the video. You've got to apply a generous layer of this mask and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it work on your skin and then gently wash off with warm water. So first of all, I do love the size of this. It's definitely travel friendly. You can just throw it in your bag whenever you're going on a vacation or something, and it won't take up much space. The second thing is the fragrance. Absolutely love it. It's delicious. It does smell like coffee and a little bit of chocolate as well. And lastly, on the performance, now although post using this it did not leave my skin with a glow, but it definitely made my skin feel extremely soft and smooth. And if I do receive this in another Fab bag in future, I'll be really happy. The fourth item that we received in here is by this brand called Bezer India, and it's their Cherry Blossom Face Toner and Mist. Again, a full-size product priced at rupees 349. Okay, now the description on this toner, it says this refreshing toner cum mist leaves skin feeling supple and velvety soft. Enriched with plant sugars with moisturizing properties, it is quickly absorbed, leaving the skin perfumed with a soft fruity scent. It also works doubly hard to protect your skin from pollution and daily aggressors while keeping it supple, deeply hydrated and firm. I have major concerns with this face toner. I did spray it directly on my face and I regretted it immediately. If this brand is watching this video, I just want to ask, why so heavy on the fragrance? There's such heavy fragrance concentration. You'd rather use this as a body mist than a face mist. So I have said this in the past, I don't usually have problems with fragrances in skincare, knowing fully well that it is bad. But for someone who generally does not have a problem with this is saying that the fragrance is too strong, meaning it really is very strong. So the last item in here is by Sugar. It's called the Glow and Behold Jelly Highlighter. The shade that I received is 03 Bronze Bellwether and it is a full-size product priced at rupees 499. I don't know if you can see it, but I have worn it today. Now I generally don't like using highlighters and I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one also very soon, but one observation that I made while using this is that it does blend really well on my skin without making it look patchy. And yeah, that's all I have to say about this highlighter. So that was all the products that I received in the bag. If I have to total up the value, then it comes to around 1,722 and I've spent 599 on the bag. This time, apart from that face toner, I'm quite happy with the rest of the products, and I hope from here on it just keeps getting better. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you have received your fab bag, let me know all the products that you received in your bag, whether you liked it or you did not like it. Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it across with your friends and family. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you all in my next video.